Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Enjoy the little tiny vlog that I'm doing right now. I'm actually waiting for my bus. I'm gonna go volunteer like I do on every Tuesday. I just took a nice little walk. I hope you enjoyed the footage that I've taken, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you guys so, so much. And this is my intro and outro. Enjoy the clips. Bye, guys.
eventually.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's another day. Sorry about yesterday's little intro. I said it was like an intro outro. I was just out and about doing my thing yesterday, and so I just captured, instead of putting a bunch of footage like my random videos that I always do, I wanted to kind of put an intro to it. So anyways, I'm out and about again. I'm just taking a walk right now. I have nothing planned. Today's my day. Yesterday, well, for the last little while on Tuesdays, I've been volunteering at this new age store, little boutique in Gatineau, and I absolutely love it. I love to put my touch in it, and I think the boss really loves my touch too, and my eye for placing things and rearranging things. That's just one of my passions, I guess, or just my quirks. I'm a really good organizer. I've got a good eye on where to place things and whatnot. Interior design as well. So I'm just really happy right now. Haven't had any kind of negativity in my life for the longest time now. I'm so excited. I'm enjoying my new job. I'm not going to reveal where that is. I walk here thousands of times, and I have not yet freaking been in this little park. No, we're just weird. Weird. Okay, there's a little rock over here that I kind of want to sit in front of, if at all possible. I don't think it's gonna work. This is a horrible angle, but I kind of like it. I'm just gonna turn off my music in my phone. On my other phone. I still have my other phone. People see me here more. Anyways. So, yeah. As I was saying, this is a horrible angle. I'm so sorry, guys, about it. So, besides that, I do love my new job. I'm still working on my weight loss and whatnot. It's a struggle because I haven't been eating very well at all, and my body's telling me, you know, it's time to stop. It's time to, like, you know, how many times have I mentioned there's spiders all over this rock, you know. I'm watching spiders all over the goddamn place. No thank you. Moving again. Holy shit. I'm going to turn you guys around. They're like really clear spiders. They're all over. Oh, anyways, I see them. So I'm going to go. I think I'm just going to keep walking. But like I was saying, I gained weight again, but at the same time, I think I've been doing okay. Like, I haven't gained too much weight, so because I'm still going down in size on my waist trainers. I'm on a 2X now. I started on a 4X. Now I'm on a 2X, and I have a 1X at home, so an extra large at home that will do me whenever this one's done. There hasn't been really much going on in my life. Nothing on the love front. My girl is in the States, so I mean, and we love each other in distance and whatnot, and we're always there for each other. However, you know, and you know who you are. Her name is very fitting to my life. But anyways, I do love her and miss her, and yeah. So I'm just about to continue on for my walk, and I wanted to shout out my IMVU daughter that I haven't talked to on IMVU for a very long time. If anybody knows me, they know that I used to spend my life on IMVU. Well, my last 10 years anyways. For the last year or two, I haven't been on IMVU that much at all. Like, I go on for a second maybe to change my avatar and that's it. But I used to spend my whole days there. Holy crap, I was so addicted to that thing. But, you know, you gotta grow out of shit whenever you're into something like virtual reality. You gotta go into the reality, the real world, you know? And fuck virtual reality. But I did love IMVU whenever I did go on it, and I did gain a daughter. For the last 10 years, she's been my daughter on the game. And I still consider her my daughter in real life since I can't have any kids. There's a crow. Oh, I didn't capture it. But actually, I'm gonna go sit on there's like a little playground. I'm gonna go sit on it and talk to you guys a little bit. Haven't done this in a while, and I'm just thinking of where to sit and where to hold my camera. It's like a little playground. Welcome to my playground. I didn't capture any pictures. I didn't capture any pictures of that tree that I was at. I'm gonna have to walk back that way. Alright. So I'm on the ground. So as I was saying, I wanted to shout out my daughter from IMVU, Kim. I gave you guys a little rundown of my history with IMVU. Actually, I don't even know where to start with that. If I even did a story time. I think what I'm going to do is save a video for a story time on that, actually. So, but yeah, so hi Kim. I love you, Mama love you, and I miss you. And I hope everything's okay with you and G-Baby and Sir.
A few moments later.
I keep moving. I'm back at the tree. It's the best looking background for now. Okay guys, yeah, I'm gonna make a video about IMVU, my little story time as to why I live there, why, and everything. That's gonna be a long video. I might share some stories, people I've met and whatnot along the years there. But like I said, I'm not on there anymore. Like I still have my account. I go on maybe once a day for like 2 minutes, if that. I generally just go check to see if my daughter's online. If she's not online, I just get I just get off. But yeah, so that's it for now. I just wanted to touch base, say hi to you, Angel and Kim, my two loves. Yeah, so everything else is good. I am single, of course, everybody knows this, but and I do love the single life. I do love Angel as well. However, you know, she's there, I'm here. We always love each other. We'll always be there for each other. And that's just something that's always going to be there. But I'm like itchy. Hold on. I feel like that's my hair. Parks. That's why I don't go in parks and trails and stuff, really, because I'm gonna go a different way that I have never gone. So I'm getting away from the tree again. That's why I don't like I've mentioned in one of my random videos. I think it was Randoms Part 5, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, I don't go in trails and whatnot. Not only because I don't know who's lurking in there. I also fear running into like a skunk or any kind of animal that could, you know, be a threat to me. Also, insects. I hate insects. So, that being said, because I feel all itchy all of a sudden, like I sat on the floor over there, and then on the ground, I should say, and now I feel all itchy. Anyways, I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, the little update on me, And yeah, I love you guys. And I'll be back with another video very soon. I think I'm just gonna make, it's a baseball park. Oh, hell yeah. I love baseball parks. I have a story on baseball and how, I gotta take a picture of this. I have a story on, I'll do a story time on when I used to play baseball too. But other than that, guys, I think that's it. Enjoy your weekend. Today is what? Wednesday. Enjoy your weekend. I love you guys. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. I'm Sonia Dee. I make videos of all kinds. I like to share my evolution with you guys, from bettering myself emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Boy. And yeah, there's somebody over there. That's why I'm like kind of whispering. But I love you guys so much. And I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.